So the issue with the car I have, it won't crank or it won't start. So I put the key in. So I try to turn it. So I think what my issue is, I think the starter. So today I'm gonna replace the starter and show you how to replace the starter, and then see, that should help it. So what you want to do is open the hood. So what's next, you need to remove this bolt and this bolt. And after you remove the bottom piece, you have to remove this and this. Take this off, and then this one's next, here and here. Also, there's 3 bolts inside here, 1 right here and 2 on this side. So you will need 10mm to remove that. So to take this off, you gotta push this out this way, and then in the back there's 2 clips like that. I pulled one out, but the easiest ways to do it is if you go inside, pry this way, and that's supposed to come out just like that, because there'll be 2 of them. Don't forget to do that, and that should come out. what you want to do is take this off, screw here, and I think 2 or 3 bolts, 14 millimeters, probably 2 of them. So what you want to do is take a screwdriver, press on this, just don't break it, and that comes off. And then take this one off with 12 millimeter. Grab a 14 millimeter and take these big bolts off. So once you took 2 big bolts off, the 14 millimeter, one's on this side and one's on that side, you'll be able to wiggle it, and that comes off. And that's your starter right here. So the bolts were one right here and one on this side. So to put it back in, same way how you took everything off, you just go in the reverse order. So I changed the starter, and let's see if it starts. The moment of truth. Yep, it started. So it was the starter. Car runs in good now. Starts really good. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.